guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most succulent, juicy and delicious spicy chicken sandwich. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some chicken thighs that I went ahead and washed in lemon juice and clean it up really well. And if you want, you can use some chicken breast also. And here are the seasonings I'll be using. I have some seasoned salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, complete seasoning, some chicken bouillon. I'll be using some jerk seasoning. This is my own twist I'm adding to it. I have Texas Pete hot sauce, 2 eggs, and some buttermilk. Let's jump right into it. First, we'll start by combining all of our seasonings. I will be leaving all of the measurements down in my description box. We will add the seasonings, we'll mix well, and then I'll show you the next step. Next, we'll add half of our seasonings to our chicken. We will mix well and we will leave the other half of the seasonings to season our flour. So we'll mix this in and then we will add our eggs here. Then we'll add the hot sauce and the buttermilk. We will make sure it's well incorporated and then we will let this marinate for about 4 to 6 hours. If you have time and you can let it marinate overnight, that will be perfect. So we let this sit for about 6 hours and then I'll show you guys the next step. Next, we'll be adding the rest of our seasonings to some flour and cornstarch. The cornstarch helps to make the chicken extra crispy. So we'll combine these and mix them really well and set them aside. Now, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and just hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload these delicious recipes. Now we'll go ahead and make a yummy sauce for our chicken sandwich. We will be using some mayonnaise, hot sauce, sweet chili sauce. We'll be using some ketchup and some spicy brown mustard. We will combine all of these ingredients, mix well, and set it aside. This is super simple, but it is so delicious. So here are the other half of the ingredients I'll be using. I have here some pepper jack cheese. I have some lettuce. I'll be using some pickles, tomatoes, and I have my buns. You guys can use whatever you like on your sandwich. These are the things that I like. So now we'll go ahead and coat our chicken in the flour. You want to take the chicken and coat it really well while pressing it into the flour. You want that flour to stick to that chicken. So you press it in as you're coating it like so. And then we will dip it a second time into the buttermilk because we want to double dip it to make sure that it has a nice crispy crust on the outside. So we will dip it back into the buttermilk and then we will repeat the same process. We will keep doing this with all of them until we are all done. And then we'll get ready to fry our chicken. So once you're done coating the chicken, we will allow this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while we get the oil ready. We want that flour to absorb into the chicken before we lay it inside of the oil. Now we'll go ahead and place our chicken in here. I have my oil preheated to about 350 degrees. And now I will turn it down a bit because we want this to cook really slow and we want a nice golden brown color on the outside. We don't want it to look too dark too quick. And after about 10 minutes, our chicken is now done. Look how beautiful they look, guys. Look at that. Popeyes wear, Chick-fil-A wear. And guys, I did give this a flip at around 5 minutes, but I didn't show you guys that part. I went in and flipped the chicken after about 5 minutes on the other side and allow it to cook. So now we will continue the same process until we are all done. Now I'll show you guys how I assemble my sandwich. I did go ahead and toast my buns so that they won't be soggy. And now we will place the sauce on both sides of the buns. We will place the sauce first, then we will add the pickles, the lettuce, and the tomatoes. And we will put our chicken on top here. But guys, I did put my cheese as soon as my chicken was done. I placed my cheese on top so that the heat from the chicken could melt the cheese. So that's what I did, and that's how easy it is, guys, to assemble this chicken sandwich, and it is super delicious. And this is how simple and easy it is to make a delicious chicken sandwich in your very own homes. It is better than Popeyes, it is better than Chick-fil-A or KFC, guys. If you follow this recipe, you will not be disappointed. So my daughter volunteered to do the honors of tasting the burger on camera. So here you have it, guys, juicy and delicious. Okay guys, so this is how I make an absolutely amazing chicken sandwich. I'll be having it with some french fries, and I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will be leaving all the ingredients and measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!